Hello there. I am so happy you're here to learn with me today.
Okay, are you ready? Let's get started and learn the alphabet. I promise it's going to be so much fun.
All right, our very first letter is A. A. It makes a sound like ah. Listen, ah. A is for apple. Now you try. Can you say A? Next up, we have the letter B. B. It makes a B sound. B. B is for ball. Okay, it's your turn to say B. Wonderful. And here we have the letter C. C, this letter makes a K sound. Listen, K, like in cat. C is for cat. Can you say C? Wow, you're doing an awesome job. Oh, look, it's the letter D. D, it makes the sound duh. Duh. D is for dog. Let's say it together now. D. Great. Coming right up is the letter E. E. It makes a sound like eh. Listen, eh. Elephant. E is for elephant. Your turn to try it.
This next letter is F. F. To make it sound, you just gently blow a little air, like this. F. 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 F is for fish. Now you try. Make the sound. F.
And this brings us to the letter G. G. It makes a G sound. G. G is for grapes. Let's say it together. G.
Here's the letter H. H. It makes a really soft, breathy sound, almost like a whisper. H is for hand. Can you try making that sound? Perfect.
Our next letter is I. I. It makes a short sound like I. I. Igloo. I is for igloo. You know, you are learning so fast. Let's take a look at the letter J. J. It makes the sound J. Listen again. J. J, jug. Let's say it together. J. And here comes K. The letter K also makes a K sound, kind of like the letter C. K is for kite. Can you say K? Excellent. Now for the letter L. L. To make it sound, you just touch your tongue to the roof of your mouth, like this. L. L is for lion. Roar. This is the letter M. M, you make it sound by putting your lips together and humming. M is for monkey. Oh, this is so much fun.
Okay, let's learn the letter N. N. It sounds like this. N. N is for nest. Can you say N? You've got it.
Oh, look at this letter. It's O. O. It makes the sound ah, almost like you're surprised about something. Ah. Orange. It's your turn. Say O. And now we have the letter P. P. It makes a fun little popping sound with your lips. P. P is for pig. Let's try making that sound together. P, P, P. P. Wow, would you look at that? You are halfway through the whole alphabet. You are doing such a fantastic job.
Are you ready to keep going? I know I am. Our next letter is Q. Q. It makes a qua sound. Qua. Qua. Queen. Let's say it together now. Q.
And this is the letter R. R. It makes a rumbling sound, almost like a little puppy growling. R. R is for ring. Can you try to make that sound? R.
Here comes the letter S. S. It makes a hissing sound, just like a little snake. S. S is for sun. Let me hear you make that sound. S. The next letter is T. T. It makes a T sound. T. T, tiger. Now it's your turn to say T.
Amazing!
Whoa, look at that. We have 3 letters here. But don't worry, we'll do them one at a time. First up is U. U. It says like in umbrella. Okay, now for V. V. It makes a buzzing sound, like your lip is tickling. V. V is for van. And last on this page is W. W. It sounds like watch. You did a great job on those.
We are so close to the end. Let's finish strong, okay? This is X. X. It makes a X sound, like at the end of the word fox. X is for xylophone. Next is Y. Y. It says yeah. Yeah. And our very, very last letter is Z. Z. It makes a buzzing sound, just like a bee. Zzz. Z is for zebra. You did it. You learned all of your ABCs from A to Z. Hooray! You know, now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? You did so well. You are an alphabet superstar.